In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project in Smartsheet. We'll walk through this in a simple, clear way, so that by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect on your screen when you're starting a brand new project. Even if you're completely new to Smartsheet, don't worry. We'll keep things straightforward and easy to follow. First, make sure you're logged in to your Smartsheet account and you're on the main home or dashboard view. This is usually the page you see right after signing in, where you can access your recent sheets, workspaces, and other resources. Take a moment to let the page fully load because the button we're looking for sits right in the main navigation area. Now look over to the left side of your screen. You should see a vertical sidebar. This is your main control panel in Smartsheet, and it's where you can access your home area, browse through workspaces, and, most importantly for this video, create something new. Within that left sidebar, look for a plus sign or a button labeled Create. Depending on your layout or Smartsheet updates, it may appear as a simple plus icon or as a Create option that stands out from the rest of the menu items. The idea is the same. This is the button you use whenever you want to start something new in Smartsheet, like a sheet, a report, a dashboard, or in our case, a new project. Go ahead and click on that plus sign or the Create button on the left sidebar. When you click it, Smartsheet will open a creation menu or window. From there, you'll be able to choose the type of item you want to create and begin setting up your new project using templates or a blank sheet. If you don't see the sidebar at first, it might be collapsed. In that case, move your mouse to the far left edge of the screen and look for a small arrow or icon that lets you expand the panel. Once that's open, the plus sign or create option should be visible. That's all there is to the initial step of creating a new project in Smartsheet. Log in, locate the left sidebar, and click the plus sign or